Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work. PhoneTechAtWork.com is the brand. Check out for the t-shirts down below if you guys want to pick up a Phone Tech at Work t-shirt. It's about 15 bucks and probably like another $5 in shipping. The hoodies and t-shirts, whatever, but that's not the point of the video. The point of this video is to talk about the iPhone XR and iPhone XS Max. Now, if you guys actually watch my reaction video after the Apple event, I was more pro towards the XR. And the reason why is because of, saying how they had a bunch of different colors and it was $250 cheaper, and it basically had over 90% of the same specs as the XS and the XS Max. Now, the way I think about it now, since my opinion has changed and after sleeping on it and after thinking about it, I think the XR is good for a certain crowd, but not for me. I think having a display that's that low and a screen that's that big probably will affect me. Now, I'm not gonna judge the screen because I haven't seen it yet, but the specs on paper, they're good, but probably not good enough for my standards and what I like about phones. So I could probably tell the difference, and they're probably gonna upscale any type of video that's 1080p on YouTube. I think they're gonna upscale it to 1080p. But here's the thing that's hitting me a little bit. The iPhone XR is $750, right? Now, after taxes, probably $810, $815. Now, my thing is that I could probably find the iPhone 10, the model from last year, for a little bit cheaper than that, brand new. Now, swap them maybe. I know T-Mobile has the iPhone 10 right now for $899, so that's like 125 after tax or whatever. But the difference between that is just the chips and probably the storage, all depending if you want to go up to 256 or not. Now, the way that I'm thinking is 3, I don't want to wait because I do have my 5C right now, so I kind of need an iPhone, and I'm running on only 5 gigabytes of storage on my iPhone 5C, so I definitely need something ASAP. But when you add all these factors together, it kind of makes me think like I really want to see what an iPhone that's 6.5 inches can actually bring to the table that I wasn't getting with the iPhone 10. And as far as the screen resolution, which is not 1440p, but we'll see exactly how that goes. So I'm going to attempt to give the iPhone XS Max a try, and that's what I ordered on pre-order day. I ordered about probably 2:55. That's Eastern Standard Time. The Verizon app actually opened up early for me, and I checked out at 3 o'clock. No issues. So I will be having a gold iPhone XS Max, 64 gigabytes of storage, because my iPhone 10 was using about 40. So I'm perfectly fine with that because I do have the 512 Note 9 that I'm filming on right now. So if you guys do like this video, if you guys have any questions of why I feel like that, I will answer you down in the comments below. I will have a link down to my new t-shirt for Phone Tech at Work. I'm not wearing it right now. I do have it in multiple colors if you guys want to pick it up. But the iPhone XR is not a ripoff. That's not what the R stands for. It's just something that's not for me right now. Maybe after I get the XS Max, I might think that it's not worth it for $1,100 and change that it costs. But I will definitely let you know, so stay tuned for coverage of the iPhone XS Max. I do have cases on the way, from my big boy case company, so I'm definitely going to go in with that. Screen protectors, tempered glass, hopefully White Stone Dome will let me rock out with iPhone 10X Max. I really have to get used to the names. I've been doing this probably 3 times over because I keep on messing up the XS Max name. So look out for more videos. My name is Alan Anthony. This is PhoneTechAtWork.com. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell if you want to get alerted for any more new videos that pop out. I do have a new video right now for the Poetic Collection for your Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.